Once, one of my friends spoke to me and shared a dream she had had the night before. That wasn't a pleasant one. She added, saying that this dream is all about what I am going through right now. And I don't know what this dream is trying to tell me. And what should I do right now? I'm confused and I'm scared because all these things related to what's happening with me right now. After listening to her, I invited her to take a step back and look at it from a distance and from a different perspective. I told her, maybe the dream shows you today's and tomorrow's results of your current thinking patterns and behaviors. Maybe the dream invites you to look at things from different perspective and shift your thinking and behavior patterns. Now let me take you through an experience that we all go through. When you drive on the road or walk on the street, you come to stop at red traffic light, don't you? Now tell me, in what way do you look at the red traffic light? What do you whisper in your lips about the red traffic light? How do you feel not being able to pass the junction before the red traffic light appears? Are they pleasant? Are they good? I don't think so. Now, let's take a step back and look at it from a different perspective. The red traffic light is our guardian. Yes, you heard it correctly. The red traffic light is our guardian. In comparison to the green light, the red traffic light has saved many lives. In our life, we need red traffic lights. The red traffic light to stop, to slow down, to reflect, to recalibrate, to check how are we doing what we are doing, where we want to go and where are we right now. Red traffic light creates space for us to think differently and look at all these things. Red traffic light protects us from the immediate danger right in front of us, and it navigates us to the right direction with more clarity and focus. Yes, this is a different perspective. This different perspective and many more different perspectives are always there. Then what was absent? What was absent is our flexibility to think and look at things in different perspectives. The moment we are able or we choose to be flexible in our thinking and in our behavior, countless possibilities will be in front of us. And that will allow us to experience our life in a completely different manner. So the point here is, some of our dreams or events in our life are like red traffic lights. Making a choice to be flexible in thinking and behaving decides how joyful the way forward will be. Being flexible in thinking and behaving empowers us and inspires change, and that shifts impossible into I am possible.